Awe, niko ligi yangu bana, niko ligi bana, niko ligi yangu, niko ligi. Awe, niko ligi yangu bana, niko ligi bana, niko ligi yangu, niko ligi.
Demere, rekejike tirire.
Today we were attending a function at a Greystone area of Ithanga Kakuzi sub-county, where the second lady was distributing relief food to hunger-stricken people. And in the process of I executing my duty of recording the event as it happened, some, I would call them overzealous officers from her security detail grabbed my phone. And in the process of retrieving it back, they assaulted me. That media is not there by default on the ground. It is there by right. And when these incidents happen, they can be rest assured that they will be pursued to their logical conclusion.